In this video, we'll learn how to make a white cross in a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So first, see what is a white cross. A white cross is this cross shape or this plus shape of white on the white center side and on all the edges. So this is a edge, this is a white edge, white edge, white edge. So on the edges, the other side, see in this white edge piece, the other side color is green. So this green and green should match. Similarly on this white and red side, this red and red should match. This one is not mandatory, it can be like this also. So only these two colors should match, these two colors should match, and these two colors should match. So this plus shape or cross shape, and on all the four sides these two colors should match. So let's see how to make this cross. So we'll start from, so let's mix the cube. Okay, so I've jumbled the cube, and to make this cross we'll keep the white center side on top. Keep the white center side on top, and we want to make a white cross. Ignore all the colors of the corner, they can be anything, they can be of any color. So we'll only focus on this cross shape. So to make this cross shape, keep the white center side on top. This is the top layer. In the bottom layer, this one, find a white edge piece. What is a white edge piece? White edge piece is an edge piece. This is an edge piece, edge piece, edge piece, edge piece. A edge piece in which a white color is there. So this edge piece is not a white edge piece because there is no white color in it. This one is a white edge piece because there is white in it. This one also is a white edge piece. This one is not a white edge piece. So on the bottom layer, white on top, on the bottom layer find a white edge piece. So let's find a white edge piece. I have this one and this one. I have two white edge pieces. So white can be on any side, it can be on the bottom, it can be on the top. So either it can be on the bottom or it can be on the front like this. It should be in this edge piece. Okay, so now start from any white edge piece. I have two, you can have 3, 4 or 1. So pick any one. I am picking this one for now. Yeah, so I am picking this one for now. So when you picked a white edge piece, now see in that white edge piece what is the other color apart from white. So apart from white, the other color is blue right now. So if it is blue, then take this edge piece, take it to a place where it is below the blue center. So again the steps are: find the white edge piece, see what is the other color apart from white in that white edge piece, and take it below that center color. So I have taken it below the blue center color. Now the next step is, in this white edge piece, see which side is white. White is on bottom or front. This is bottom, this is front. I will always keep white center on top. And now see, and always keep this side in front also. It should not be in right or left. Always the side which is merged should be in front. And then see which side is white. White is on bottom now. So white, if white is on bottom, then do 2 times F, or simply move it on top like this. This has come on left, one more time it has come on top. So after doing this, you will see one part of the cross is done. There are 4 parts, one part is done. Again, to make the other 3 parts, this one, this one, this one, again we'll follow the same steps. Again, keep the white center side on top, find a white edge piece on the bottom layer. On the bottom layer, this one is not a white edge piece, this one is not a white edge piece, this one is, and this one is not. So I have only one, so I will pick this one. And again the same steps. In this white edge piece, what is the other color apart from white? Other color is red right now. If it is red, so take this edge piece below red center piece, and always remember, move the 2 layers together. If you move only the top layer, then the already made part of the cross which you made like this will get unsolved. So always move the 2 layers together, the top 2 layers together. Yeah, so I had this white and red piece, I have brought it below this red center piece like this, red, white and red. Now the next step is, I will again check in this white edge piece, white is in front or bottom, front or bottom. So white is in front. If white is in front, then the step is, take it to right side one time. So this piece has come on the right side, white and red. Bring only the middle vertical layer to bottom one time like this. Again, so either you can bring this middle vertical layer bottom like this to bottom like this, or you can bring these 2 layers together and take one back. So both of the methods are same. So basically we are trying to only bring the middle layer on the bottom, and then that piece, that white and red piece that we have taken to right side, we will take it back to front. So that way we are able to match the pieces like this. Match the pieces, and now we will again take this middle layer on top. So in the last step we brought this middle vertical layer to bottom. In this step we will again take it on top, only this middle vertical layer. So you can take these 2 layers together on top and bring one back, because we only want to take this layer, only the middle vertical layer on top. So either you can do like this, or you can only take the middle vertical layer like this on top. So see, the 2 pieces are done. Now you will find a case where you don't have any white edge piece on the bottom layer. See, no white edge piece, no white edge piece, no white edge piece, no white edge piece. So what to do? Now find a white edge piece in the middle layer. Middle layer is this one. This horizontal second layer or middle layer is this one. Now find a white edge piece here. If you have any white edge piece in the middle layer like this, I want to take it on bottom. So I can directly bring it like this also, and it will come on the bottom layer. But sometimes what will happen, so see, if I want to bring this piece on bottom like this, then the already made part of this cross will get unsolved. So in this case, when you want to bring a piece on bottom without mixing the already made part, what to do? You can do this step: R prime, D prime and R. So see, the cross, the 2 parts are still there, and that piece has come on bottom, white edge piece. Now again follow the same step, find a white edge piece in the bottom layer, and then see what is other color of that white edge piece. It is green, so take it below the green center, and again see if white is in the front or bottom. It's in front, so we'll do the front step, that is take it to right side, bring the middle vertical layer down, take this bring this piece from the right side again to front and take this middle vertical layer again to top. See, 3 parts are done. Now there will be one more case when you don't have any white edge pieces in the bottom layer. See, no white edge pieces on the bottom layer and no white edge pieces in the middle layer also. Now what to do? See, on the top layer, which edges are matching? This one is matching, this one is matching, this one is matching, this one is not matching. So again I will bring this this layer or this edge piece on bottom layer. So it was not on the bottom layer, it was not on the middle layer, it was on the top layer. So again always you need to bring that edge piece on the middle layer. So I can directly bring it like this without mixing any other part of the cube on the top layer. So it has come on top. Again we can solve it using the same way on the bottom. Yeah, again we can solve it using the same way. What is the other color apart from white? It's orange. Bring it below orange, it's already there. And then see, white is in front or bottom? It's on the front, so take it to right side. Bring the middle vertical layer down. Bring this piece back to front and again take the middle vertical layer to top one time. See, this is a white cross now. Complete white cross. These two are matching, these two are matching. So it's not mandatory to match this color. Only these two colors, these two colors, these two colors and these two colors should match, and there should be a white plus shape. Now there will be one more case which might look like this. You have made 3 or 2 pieces and the fourth piece is like this. Fourth piece or maybe 2 pieces are like this, which might look like solved, but these two sides are not matching. So always, if any side which doesn't have this matching layer or this matching 2 pieces, always take that piece to bottom. I will take this piece on bottom and then I will solve it. As we were already solving it, it is white and blue. Take it below blue center piece like this, and then see if white is in bottom or front. White is in bottom, so simply take it on top and this part is done. So this is how you make a white cross. We have a white cross now. Okay, thank you.